This is an image of a lone tree in the middle of a storm. The wind is violent, the rain is relentless, everything around it is chaos, but the tree doesn't run. It can't. It bends, it creaks, it loses a few branches, but it stays rooted.
What are you rooted in when the storm hits? Because adulthood applies pressure, bills pile up, plans fall apart, motivation fades. The question isn't whether life gets hard, it's whether are you 10 toes down or are you gonna fold when it does? And if you're not going to fold, are you going to stay planted and keep going, keep moving forward anyway?